People hardly realize their own mistakes. Instead, they strive to point out someone else's. Do you want others to think of you as someone who judges everybody? Be respectful and love people rather than resent them. See their worth and value to humanity like you want God to see you when He asks, "Why should I let you into heaven?" Matthew chapter 7, verse 1 through 5 says, "Do not judge, or you too will be judged. For in the same way you judge others, you will be judged. And with the same measure you use, it will be measured to you." Why do you look at the speck of sawdust in your brother's eye and pay no attention to the plank in your own eye? How can you say to your brother, "Let me take the speck out of your eye," when all the time there is a plank in your own eye? You hypocrite. First take the plank out of your own eye, then you will see clearly to remove the speck from your brother's eye. We are not commanded to judge. We are commanded to love. Matthew chapter 22, verse 37 through 39 says, "Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy mind. This is the first and great commandment. And the second commandment is like unto it. Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself." I think life is all about learning. If we don't keep learning how to be a better person, then what's the point of it all? To judge someone simply means that you pass your preconceived notion or opinion on others about someone else. The Bible warns judgmental people that they will be judged by the same measure with which they judge others. Deuteronomy chapter 1, verse 17 suggests that judgment belongs only to God, not to human beings. Rather than being judgmental, the Bible instructs people to have compassion and empathy for others. Nasty, judgmental people are made, not born. Judgmental people have three common traits. They are overly critical. They show no respect for the person they criticize. And they justify what they say because they believe it is the truth. People can become judgmental due to their pride, their hurt, and anger at being wronged, and a lack of love for others. 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4 and 5 says, "Love is patient Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Song of Solomon, chapter 8, verse 7 says, "Many waters cannot quench love. Rivers cannot wash it away." In John chapter 13, verse 35, Jesus said, "By this, all people will know that you are my disciples, if you have love for one another." The way we love demonstrates who we are every day, all day, just like Jesus. We all have to understand that it's God's job to judge. It's the Holy Spirit's job to convict. It's our job to love. Please subscribe to this channel and like and share this video so that you will continue to receive life-changing content. Thank you for watching.